So our users are not, the traditional DBAs or individuals who are working within ServiceNow, which is part of the reason why PlatCore has been so beneficial to us, right? We're bringing a whole new group of users to the platform. It's traditionally not in the platform. So what adoption looks like to us is a dual learning curve many times, right? And so you have this concept of somebody who's, a magician in an Excel file, but has never had the constraints of, a form or a list within like that sort of system-driven approach. It's much more prescriptive. And so when we look at adoption and why, like, I was excited to do this and talk about it, is how do we flatten or like close the gap in that dual learning curve, right? So when we're bringing our users into our products and to adopt our product, we're not just teaching them proven optics, we're teaching them ServiceNow. It's the first time they've ever logged into ServiceNow. And so when we look at how do we work within those bounds, early adoption and training to close that gap in understanding is critical to success, and is critical to how people leverage the tool in the early honeymoon stages of use.